Welcome to Bimbeats. In this video, we'll explore our out-of-the-box dashboards that give you instant insights into your organization's data. These dashboards provide a structured way to make sense of your raw data and analyze key metrics. The best way to familiarize yourself with our dashboards is by clicking around. That's just what we're going to do. Let's get started. To begin, click on the menu item on the left and select Dashboards. Once here, we can sort alphabetically and select the 00 Bimbeats Start Here dashboard. This home screen serves as your central hub, organizing dashboards into three pillars: projects, people, and productivity. Each pillar links to a dedicated dashboard that focuses on specific data insights. You can navigate into these dashboards by clicking on the respective icons. The project dashboard helps track metrics relating to model health, warnings, and trends. These dashboards help identify which projects need more attention, help find the root cause of many issues, and monitor improvements across time. By clicking over the People icon, we can navigate to the People dashboards, which help track user proficiency to find opportunities for training. They can help organizations identify their super users and silent stars, as well as team members who would benefit from working with them. This section is useful for team leaders, BIM managers, and HR to analyze user best practices, software proficiency, and check training and development strategies. If we go over to the productivity dashboards, we can see a collection of dashboards that are designed to improve workflow efficiency by tracking things such as time spent on tasks and system performance. They help identify opportunities for optimization and reducing downtime. Now that you have an overview of the Bimbeats dashboards, you're ready to start exploring. These out-of-the-box dashboards give you instant insights into your organization's projects, people, and productivity, helping you make data-driven decisions with ease. Let's dive into a specific dashboard where I'll show you how to interact with the data, apply filters, and navigate between visualizations. Let's go over to the project dashboards for this example. And we'll start with the first one, priority projects. Here we have a simple dashboard that is using Kibana lens visualizations to highlight the total duration across my organization that we have spent opening and syncing projects and files, along with tables showing the files with the largest file size. On the top right is a time filter, which ensures that data is being visualized within a specified time range. Let's set that to 7 days. As you can see, the data has now been updated to reflect only values that have come in within the last 7 days. The chart on the left is looking at the data from the Revit index event and mapping out the value action duration from the field action name that is either open or sync. The chart stacks these values to give us total duration. If we click on the legend, say on sync, we can apply a filter that only shows us the values that are relating to sync times. We can do the same with open times. Further, I can click on a particular project if I want to filter out information only related to that project. We can do this by clicking on the value, selecting on Apply Filter to Current View. In this case, it's prompting me if I want to apply the filter that the action name is open and that this is the project name. And for this example, let's just set that to keep the project name. Click Apply. And as you can see, the visualization has updated to show me only information that's relevant to that particular project. Kibana has added a filter up here. If we click on it, press Edit Filter, we can see that within the field project name, it's only giving me values where the file name is the name of this project. Similarly, I can click on this field and say Exclude Results. Now this is going to show me the information for all projects except the one specified. Let's go back to the project homepage. Our out-of-the-box dashboards have a lot to offer. I invite you to click through them to discover visualizations and metrics relating to your data. In the next video, I will dive into the Model Traffic Light Metric dashboard and show you how you can apply filters and navigate between dashboards to get a more detailed picture of your data. If you have any questions, please communicate with us via our Discourse forum, linked in the description below. Follow us for more insights on how to make the best use of your data with Bimbeats. Have a good one.